Here are some examples that are pertaining to geometrical isomerism. But before that, I'll just try to again explain what the geometrical example is meant in terms of the priority rules. Okay, right here. So here we are. Now there are some questions, important questions such as the above given there. Define or explain the following terms of that, in which you have seen the structural isomerism. The structural isomerism is, in fact, it splits into two. It is in fact a kind of isomerism that I have told at the beginning of the classification. But here, the stereoisomerism, you will have two things. One will be pertaining to geometrical isomerism, and the other will be pertaining to the optical isomerism. So you have to explain what optical isomerism and geometrical isomerism is. Depending on the points, depending on the marks, you have to give the example also. Asymmetric carbon atom is one in which you have 4 different atoms. So you have to explain it by means of a carbon atom like this: C, A, B, C, D, and E. 4 different groups of them. And this asymmetric carbon atom at the center is what you call as the chiral center also. Both are almost the same. Asymmetric carbon atom and chiral center are almost the same, but definitions vary because the chiral molecule will have 4 different carbon atoms, and asymmetric carbon is a carbon which is attached to 4 different groups. But here it is an entire molecule which reflects on the optical activity. Okay. Then you have in the stereoisomers, you have the enantiomers and diastereomers. How you can remember this is, I think we have not read much detail here, but we have seen in glucose how it is. Enantiomers are mirror images. Enantiomers are mirror images. These are just isomers, which may not be mirror images and which are not superimposable, or maybe superimposable or not superimposable. So you have a compound in which you have D configuration and L configuration. D is dextro and L is levo. If you have the rotation of plane progress rate in a particular direction, which you did as plus and which you give as minus, both of them cancel. Suppose if this is 50% and this one is 50%, the light is not rotated. Okay, no rotation of light. PPL, that is called as the racemic mixture. Okay, the same thing is there for certain meso compounds. So here you do it externally, but this one is internal. Okay, here you mix it. That is why you call it as a mixture. Okay, you mix 50% of this and 50% of this, you get it outside. That is what you call it as the external. So external outside mixing will give you a racemic mixture, but internal will give you a meso compound. Okay, so let me just go to the main thing that we have been here for solving the problems. Here you can see we have seen the geometrical isomerism between the double bonded atoms. Here is the double bond there. And you can see that this is one plane, the yellow part is one plane, and green board is another plane. So it gives you a perpendicular plane. That is to say that, only 2 carbon atoms are in this particular plane, and the hydrogen and that is the different groups are in the different planes. Now this high and low is the priority. I think we have seen the Kahn-Ingold-Purilock system, in which we gave the priority 1, 2, 3 based on the atomic weight. Higher is the atomic weight, higher is the priority. So you draw a line across this and see if both high are on the same side.
அதேதான் மைனஸ் பண்ணணும். அப்பா
same side, then you call it as the Z isomer, and it is a double bond. So somebody is having voice there, please mute. Okay, this is quite opposite. Here you draw a line across the double bond and see that high priority and high priority are in the opposite directions. Opposite directions, and therefore this isomer is called as E. This is cis, and this is trans. You can see that's an example there. They will give you, write the isomers for chloro 2-butane, chloro 2-butene. The same thing is here also. And you have to write the structure in both the forms. Okay. Butene should have 4 atoms. 1, 2, 3. Second atom, second atom is, the numbering should be from the right side. Okay, I have given it in the wrongly, so just let me correct it. The numbering is from the right side, so it should go like 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is 2 chloro, so chlorine atom is attached to the second carbon atom, and 2 butene. The second carbon atom is this one. The double bond ene means, ene is a double bond. So that is also attached to the second carbon atom. So if you write like two options, one is you have CS3, CCl. The same compound you can write it here also. Okay, but after drawing a line, you will see that the similarity is here group, and here it is not the same because chlorine atomic weight is 17, carbon atomic weight is 6. So it is on the opposite side. So you can see they are in the opposite side. Therefore, they are trans. So that is why you mention it as a substitute alcohols. So the same thing, here is the numbering is also from the right side. It is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 chloro is there. So chlorine is attached to the second atom, and 2 butene is there. The double bond is attached to the second atom. You have just flipped this. Okay. Now the priority is from this side. It is 6. This is 1. This is 17, and this is 6. Okay. So high priority is this one. Here, if you compare 17 and 6, high priority is 17, therefore chlorine. So both the groups are on the same side. Same side of double bond, therefore it is called as the Z. Z as. Okay. So in some cases, they will just ask you the structure. Like for example, if they ask you, you forget about this structure, chlorobutene. Chlorobutene. There is no numbering. So what you have to write is, first write butane. Butane means you should have 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then number it from right side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now it is 2 butene, 2 chloro. The chlorine atom is attached to the second carbon atom. This is chloro. And the butene is also attached to the second carbon atom. Therefore, you will get a double bond there. Now you get butene. Butene is over. So satisfy the valency. Okay. Here carbon atom 1, carbon atom double bond 1, a single bond 1. Here you have another single bond. Here you have single bond there, and here you have. So this becomes the entire CS3. Okay, again put it like this. Valency 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Substitute it H, H, H. You get another CH3. Okay. And here it is 1, this is 2, this is 3, another one will be here. So you have a CH here. Now our main priority will be writing a double bond like this. C and C. So I write this CS3 here and this CS3 here. This chlorine atom, I'm just writing attachment here. And another one is hydrogen atom. So you see everything is valence is 4 is satisfied. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it is possible to flip this chlorine from this CS3. So if you flip, you can get cis and trans isomers. Okay. So that is how, if name is given, you have to write this structure. Here is another example. The group priorities are shown in parentheses, of course, some procedure and the molecules that can be designed to cis or trans. So here is the example there. I'll just work out directly from there. You draw a line here. You'll see this is 6 and this is 1 and this is 1. This is also 6. So 6 and 6, same side. Same side means Z or cis. Okay. Now here is the second. You draw a line here like this. You weight, atomic weight. The first atom attached is hydrogen. Here it is actually, it should be CH3. It is or not actually. CH3. That means, you know, C is 6, H is 1, H is 1, C is 6. Okay. So you have high order groups in opposite directions. So when you have an opposite direction, this will be given as a E isomer. Okay. Then you will come to the another example. In this, you have to draw a line and put priority. This is 39 and this is 6. This is 6 and this is 1. So on this side, high priority is for bromine because of its molecular weight 39. And on this, because of molecular weight of, atomic weight of carbon, it is 6, it is there. So they are in the opposite directions. So in the opposite direction, you have E. So this is actually a wrong, given wrong in there. Here you have trans. Okay, trans, because the opposite side. Here you have 1, here you have 6. 6 is higher, therefore this will get high priority and this will get high priority. Both high priorities are on the opposite sides. So opposite means trans. Okay, let us do the same thing for this. You draw a line across the double bond here, and then this is molecular atomic weight is 39, and this atomic weight is 6, and this atomic weight is 1, and this is 6. Okay, now look into the priority. If you compare this and this is high priority. And if you compare this and this, 39 is higher than 6. So this is high priority. So these two high priorities, same side. Therefore it is Z isomer. Okay. Z isomer is also called as the cis isomer. Same side cis, opposite side trans. So trans isomer or cis isomer is better given by drawing a line across the double bond there. Now here is a typical question that is often asked in many examples. Which of the following compounds show geometrical isomerism? For this, you have to draw every structure. Okay, so let me try this again and come to a conclusion. So I told you that if you take butene, C, 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 C. Butene na 4 carbon atom, 4 C atoms. Okay, so 2 butene, numbering is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So double bond is across this. Okay, now we have to satisfy this as according to the valence satisfaction. So this is CH3. Here you have valency of 1, 2, 3. So you will get only one H there. Okay. Now here you have to put these two bonds and H, H, and H. So this structure translates to something like this. Across the double bond, I will bring double bond first here. CC. இது ரெண்டு ரெண்டாவது இது மூணாவது. So third atom is connected to one CH3. I am putting there. And third atom is also connected to one H here. So one H. Second atom is connected to one H. And the second atom is connected to another CH3. So I'm going to write another CH3. So you can see that you can flip these two. Okay, these two. So that means A shows geometrical isomerism. 2-butene shows geometrical isomerism. Now the second one is 2-methyl 2-butene. Okay, so again you look at this last. So you have to put C, 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 C. 4. Butene na 4 carbon atom. 4 carbon atom attached. Numbering is from the right side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double bond is across the 2. So inge da double bond irukku across 2. Second atom is having one methyl group. So I am writing this methyl group here. Second atom is having one methyl group there. Just a minute. Okay. Second atom is one methyl group there. So you have to now satisfy everything. H, 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 H. Now the structure is, C double bond C. This CH3 here. This H here. And this CH3 attached to 2 atoms here. And this CH3 here. Okay. Can this show geometrical isomerism? Now here you have the same CH3 on the same side. Two methyl groups, same side. Same side of same carbon atom. Same C atom. So if you have like this, இது ரெண்டு exchange பண்ண difference தெரியாது. No difference will be found. Therefore, this doesn't show any geometrical activity. Second atom doesn't show any geometrical activity. So let us go to the third example there. It is 2-pentene. Third example, the C is 2-pentene. Pentene means you have to put 5 carbon atoms. I'll draw 5 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll number it from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 atom is in. Okay, this is the second double bond there. Now I have to satisfy the valency. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll write H here. H, H, H. All the missing links you have to put it by H. H, and here you don't have any H. So you have across, now you write the double bond. Okay, if you write the double bond, this is the second carbon atom and this is the third carbon atom. If you write the double bond, you can put the H here in the H. Okay, in the CS3, okay. Now third carbon atom is having one H here. So I'll put that H here. Now this entire group is, this entire group is C2H5 that is attached to carbon atom 3. So carbon atom 3, I am just putting C2H5. So you can see that you have 4 different groups. In the side, randume onna endichina isomerism varadu. Okay. Now you can write 2 isomers, one by flipping this to this place and this to this place. Hydrogen can be murdered. Priority is very high for this. High priority, low priority, high priority, and low priority. Okay. If you have both high priority on the same side, in the system. இதே அப்படியே flip பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு suppose if you have CH3 here, the previous case both same carbon atom CH3 இருக்கனால no isomer is possible, no geometrical isomerism possible. Okay, but here it is H and here CH3, so this is also showing geometrical isomerism. Fourth carbon atom is also, fourth atom is showing isomerism. And then last one is 1,2-dichloropropane. Propane அப்படின்பது propane na 3. Okay, we'll put 3. 1, 2, 3. There is no double bond there. As soon as you don't see any double bond, you can immediately conclude that geometrical isomerism is not possible. So no double bond, no geometrical isomerism. Okay, suppose ஒரு இடத்துல இந்த இடத்துல E இருந்துச்சுன்னா 2 propene 1 2 propene இப்படி போட்டுறலாம். Okay, chloro இங்க ஒன்னு போட்டா கூட அப்படி போட்டா கூட வராது. Therefore this will also not show the geometrical isomerism. And you can see that for this question number 7, which of the following compounds show geometrical isomerism? Only 2 butene and 2 pentene show geometrical isomerism. Okay, so let us come to the next problem. Which of the following shows geometrical isomerism? Here, rather than this, they have given the same structure. That is, the structure is same means, you have to again draw everything. Okay. Now just extrapolate this double bond there. Double bond. Okay. You have C here and H here and H here. And the CH2. Right? So this C in the C has got one H in the H and one CH3. Now you can see whatever changes you make here, same carbon atom, has same group. So no So no geometrical isomerism is possible for this, which is having same hydrogen atom on the, the two hydrogen atoms on the same carbon atom. Okay, now let us go to this example. I will put the double bond first, and this C and this C there, and here I have put, I'll just first number it, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentene molecule. Pentane molecule. Our double bond is only here. So I have to write CH2, CH3. And this carbon atom is having another Br attached. Okay. So here you have another Br attached and then CH3 here. So you can see that this is ethyl group. And this is bromine, 39 and 6, here 39 and 6. So you can get 39 and 39 in the opposite directions. Therefore, geometrical isomerism இதுக்கு geometrical isomerism கிடையாது, இதுக்கு வருது. Okay, then the last example. What is this? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is hexene. You have one double bond there. Okay, hexene. So that double bond I'm just writing here. So here for the fifth carbon atom, I have numbered it wrongly. So it should go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Here you have CH3, and this H will be here. In the CH3 inga. So double bond CH, this H, and then you have CH2, CH2, CH3. So you can put it like this. So now you can see that if you draw a line like this, now if you draw a line like this, you get high purity here and another high purity here, low purity here and low purity here. That means, opposite side. Trans isomer is there. And if you put this 1, 2, 3 propyl group, propyl inge potittu in the hydrogen keela kondu vandinga cis isomer varum. Propyl you go to the top, you get cis isomer. Okay, so therefore this is also showing a geometrical isomer. So in this question, out of the three examples, A does not show geometrical isomerism. B and C show geometrical isomerism. B and C show geometrical isomerism. So I'll stop with this because the time is over for the Zoom session. And I'll post a video. You again go through this. If you have some examples, please let me know. Whatever example you have, you just message me whatever question pertaining to the geometrical isomerism. You just post me on the group. I'll just try to explain them.